channel. Thank you for checking by. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do make sure you subscribe and click on the notification icon so that you can get notified of my videos. There are tens of mathematics tutorials on this channel. Thoroughly explain, we make the complex simple. Now, what I want to share with you in this video, I want to share with you one major secret to understanding and passing mathematics. One major secret. But then, before we can really discuss about the secret to passing, it's of great importance that we see into what could have been the cause or the causes for failure, for your average performance or failure in this subject. What would have been the cause? Now, from my research and the interaction with students over the years, it's obvious that there is one major problem students have concerning this subject, and the problem is this: your mindset, your orientation, your perspective of this subject. I've met quite a lot of students. They tell me, Prof, I have a problem with math. I was chatting with one of my students last week, and he was saying, whenever I'm solving some questions and I get to some point, it's as if it's magic. In fact, mathematics is a magic. You see that wrong perspective can paralyze, and which has been paralyzing the interest of that my student in mathematics. So the mindset, the perspective you have of mathematics is very important. Now that's a major cause. Now, while we have other causes like textbook, lack of textbooks, like the attitude of the teachers towards this subject, the unavailability of conducive environment to learn. You see some schools, they learning mathematics, they're teaching the student mathematics in the afternoon. So you see that that's not conducive. Now we have other causes of failure. We have problems why math seems to be difficult to the student. But the major is your perspective. Now in my book, Falling in Love with Math, I shared my story when I was in JS1. I zero my mind on mathematics. That was the perspective I have of this subject. I concluded in my heart, I can't just succeed in this subject. I can't just understand it. I tried all my best. So it brought to me a wrong perception of this subject. And I tell you, I failed woefully, honorably. But then when I repeated GLS1, I began to see it in a brighter way. So your perspective is the problem. Now let me give you the one major secret, which is what I've been saying: your mindset. What is the setting of your mind as regards this subject? There's a question I'm going to ask you. What is your mindset? I discovered that once the mindset of a student can be changed as pertaining to any subject, then you begin to see that such a student, begin to perform very well, excellently in the subject. When you see maths as a difficult subject, then it will remain a difficult subject. When I repeated JS1, I began to have another perspective of this subject. I saw maths as simple, and you see, it was when I was in JS2, it became my ambition to study math and to lecture mathematics, and that's what I'm studying pure and applied math. Has become simple. I've been teaching this subject over the years now, even across the different levels of education, primary level, secondary, even the tertiary. It's a mindset. It's a mindset. I believe math is simple. I believe it's not difficult. Yeah, it's true that we could have some stubborn topics in math, but it is still my mindset that math is simple. What's your mindset? What's the orientation you have? Or what's the orientation you've been given of this subject? Today I present to you the secret to understanding and passing this subject. Your mindset. Change your mindset today. Believe in yourself. I've taught a quite numerous, students whose before I start taking them, their mindset, was very, very negative. But after some times of interaction with them, speaking with them, and they began to change their mindset. I remember, and I quote, the comment of one of my students. She said, "Sir, I hated mathematics with passion before you started taking me. But now I love mathematics." That can be your testimony as well.